Hello there. Have you ever wondered how you can transform your long form YouTube content into shorter videos that you can use for your YouTube Shorts, your Instagram Reels, or your TikTok videos? What if I told you that there's an AI tool that can help you do this for free? Yes, I said it, free. Let me show you how you can do it. So welcome back. This is Opus clip that we will be using to convert our long video into 10 viral clips and make it 10 times faster. And see, we're using the AI. We can also auto reframe. We can also auto caption, and we can also auto B-rolls and create different templates. And you can see it is used by over 3 million content creators. So let me show you how you would do it. First, you have to create an account if you don't already have one. As you can see, you get a free 7 days trial. You're able to create 90 minutes free of content valid for 7 days. You don't need a credit card, and you're able to use the full features with no watermark. And after the 7 days, you'll then switch to the free plan. So then you get to try it out for 7 days. If you like it, then you can upgrade. If you don't like it, then you can still work fine with the free plan. So here we are. Now let me pick one of our videos on our channel. Let's pick this one. And then copy the link and then paste it here. And this is the video. And see, we can already choose what we want our caption presets to be. We don't yet have the different preset template. Then see, you can, if you want it simple or if you want it like think media. I think I want this. And then the clip length, you can choose if you want it from 0 to 3 minutes, less than 30 seconds to 60 seconds, or 60 seconds to 90 seconds. So I want it to auto to just choose whatever is possible. And then let's get the clip. So next page is what I'm using for. It's for personal use. What type of content did you create? It's a finance content, so it's about taxes and YouTube. And what it's my own content. So, and then it is analyzing the content, and it will generate 10 short videos for us. So it has successfully created the short clips for us. So we're able to get, I believe, 8 clips in total. And here we can see scores for the hook, the flow, the engagement, and then the trend. So you see, it delivers valuable content for taxes, and then the content is logical throughout. Okay, let's play some of the videos. Make sure that you know the various laws and rules about the taxes. And you can see the script here, you can see the score that it has, and then you can export, download it as HD, or you can even edit the clip. Here you can trim, you can extend. If you want it to be a certain design, you can also do that. If you want it to generate B-roll, or if you want it to auto emoji to add emojis to the image, or if you want to add your logo and all, which I think it's really, really good. And you can also like change the template of the design. And then you download it, and then you can upload to your YouTube. I'm going to upload one of this video to my YouTube Shorts, and then we can see how well it does. So this is like the simplest way to create short 10 shots from your long form content. So when you're recording long form content for YouTube, you don't have to also record short content to post on your YouTube short. You can just use Opus Clip and then it generates short clips from your long form content. So thank you. That's it for this video. Let me know if you'll be trying it and I'll see you next week Friday.